How to add community to favorites on Reddit. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a community to your favorites on Reddit, easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to reddit.com and log into your account, and now choose the community that you want to add to favorite. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one per example. All what you have to do to add it to favorite is go to it and go here to those three dots right here and click on them and click add to favorites. And if you want to remove it from your favorites, click again and click remove from favorites. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.